Yeah, there is no doubt. It is what I say to the player today. There is no doubt for me. For sure, we never know in football. You see on Sunday. I prefer to inform everybody that Sunday it is not a matter of arrogance or underestimating the opponent. It's just a matter of football. We develop a lot of opportunity to score. We defend bad, particularly in the second half, but it is the matter of football. I cannot blame any player. You understand me? Really, I never do that, and I don't start today. Like I say, it is my responsibility. But about your question, I'm completely sure that Simba has the capacity to win this Confederation Cup. You know, our target was to reach the semi-final of the Champions League, so now the target must be to reach the final of the Confederation Cup. This is a good team with very good player. Now the team will play with, for example, with Denis. Sako is in a better condition. Onyango is in a better condition. You know, there is a lot of things very, very positive to come for Simba. And I insist a lot. Thank you, Mr. Mo. Also, I want to pay tribute to Mr. Mo. Never he give up me. Never. He support me every day, every time, even in the bad time. So I'm completely sure that with this man ahead of the club, the future will be very, very nice.
We saw you calling in last game while matching on Oligumao. Who are you calling?
I call my one of my assistants on the bench to give some information because we work very well with big unity, and we try to find the good solution, particularly in the second half. Because we meet some problem, but you know now past is past, so it's difficult to talk about this. But you know, I'm really, really, really sad to make this failure with Simba.
Are you going to study for UEFA?
Well, you know, I'm always applying for UEFA Pro. You know, this is a good question, very good question. I don't understand the new rules. You know that there is 2 coaches in Africa who won the Champions League, and they are not allowed. They are not allowed to manage their team now in Champions League. I play 2 quarter-final, I play 1 semi-final in Confederation Cup, and now I cannot understand that with my UEFA A, I cannot allow it to manage my team. So for sure, you are right. I will use this time to go maybe to 1 course for CAF A, and also I already applied for the License Pro. I'm waiting the agreement for the French Federation. They told me it will be okay after 6 months, so I'm not worried about my license. I will play Champions League or CAF Confederation in the next coming years.
Wizara ya Viwanda na Biashara kupitia Mamlaka ya Maendeleo ya Biashara Tanzania TanTrade inawataarifu umma wa Watanzania kuwa inaandaa maonyesho ya 6 ya bidhaa za viwanda vya Tanzania yatakayofanyika kuanzia tarehe 3 hadi 9 Disemba 2021. Maonyesho haya yatakayoenda sambamba na sherehe za miaka 60 ya uhuru wa Tanganyika yana kauli mbiu isemayo tumia bidhaa za Tanzania, jenga Tanzania, ikihamasisha Tanzania kutumia bidhaa bora zinazozalishwa na viwanda hapa nchini. duniani. Maonyesho haya yatafanyika kwenye uwanja wa maonyesho wa Mwalimu Nyerere Sabasaba. Kwa ushiriki au maelezo zaidi, tafadhali wasiliana nasi kupitia barua pepe sac@tantred.go.tz, Instagram @tantredtz, Facebook Tantred Tanzania na Twitter Tantred page, au piga simu namba 0758 001021.